Good morning, students. Today I am going to revise chapter number 5, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife from Geography. And today your topic is types of vegetation which is found in all over the India, in which I will discuss and revise 5 natural vegetation of India. Number 1 is tropical evergreen forest. Number 2 is tropical deciduous forest. Number 3 is tropical thorn forest. Number 4 is montane forest. And number 5 is mangrove forest. Alright. So first of all, I will explain tropical rainforest. So students, tropical evergreen forests are found in heavy rainfall near about 200 centimeter areas of the Western Ghats and the island group of Lakshadweep, Andaman and Nicobar, and upper parts of Assam and Tamil Nadu coast. And the height of trees which are grown in these regions reach great heights up to 60 meters or even above. And the region is warm and wet throughout the year. It has luxuriant vegetation of all kinds, trees, shrubs and creepers, and giving it a multi-layered structure. And there is no definite time for the trees to shade their leaves. That's why these forests appear green all the year round. And some of the commercially important trees of this forest are ebony, mahogany, rosewood, rubber and cinchona. And the common animals found in these parks are elephants, monkey, lemur and deer. And also the one-horned rhinoceros are found in the jungles of Assam and West Bengal. And students, in this forest you can see plenty of birds, bats, sloths, scorpions and snails. Alright. After that, second one is tropical deciduous forest. And tropical deciduous forests are the most widespread forest of India. They are also known as the monsoon forest and spread over the region, receiving rainfall between 200 centimeter and 70 centimeter. And trees of this forest shade their leaves for about 6 to 8 weeks in dry summer. And on the basis of availability of water, these forests are further divided into moist and dry deciduous forest. So students, as well as the moist deciduous are found in areas receiving rainfall between 200 and 100 centimeter, and these forests found mainly in the eastern part of the country like northeastern states, Jharkhand, Orissa and Chhattisgarh, and also on the eastern slopes of the Western Ghats. Okay? And teak is the most dominant species of this forest. Bamboos, sal, shisham, sandalwood, kher, kusum, arjun, mulberry are other commercially important trees which we can see in these forests of India. Alright. After that, the dry deciduous forests are found in areas having rainfall between 100 centimeter and 70 centimeter. And the dry deciduous forests are found in the rainier parts of the peninsular plateau and the plains of Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. And important trees which we can see in these forests are teak, sal, peepal and neem. And before some years ago, a large part of this region has been cleared for cultivation and some parts are used for grazing. Okay? And the common animals which are found, these are lion, tiger, pig, deer and elephant. And also we can see a huge variety of birds, lizards, snakes and tortoises in these regions of India. Okay. After that, next one is tropical thorn forests and scrubs. And this type of forest and vegetation are found in region with less than 70 centimeter of rainfall. And this type of vegetation is found in the northwestern part of the country, including semi-arid areas of Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh and Haryana, as well as acacias, palm, euphorbias and cacti or cactus are the main plant species which we can see in the thorn forest of India. And you know very well that due to the dry climate, trees are scattered and have long roots penetrating deep into the soil in order to get moisture. And the leaves are mostly thick and small to minimize evaporation. And students, these forests give way to thorn forests and scrubs in arid areas of India. Alright. After that, next one is montane forests. So students, the montane forests in India are found in the Himalayas and in mountainous areas, and the decrease in temperature with increasing altitude leads to the corresponding change in natural vegetation, and there is a succession of natural vegetation belts in the same order as we see from the tropical to the tundra region. Okay, and the wet temperate type of forests are found between a height of 1000 and 2000 meters, and evergreen broadleaf trees such as oaks and chestnuts predominate here. And students, between 1500 and 3000 meters height, temperate forests containing coniferous trees like pine, deodar, silver, fir, spruce and cedar are found. Okay? And these forests cover mostly the southern slopes of the Himalayas and places having high altitude in southern and northeast India. And at higher elevations, temperate grasslands are common. After that, at high altitude, generally more than 3,600 meters above sea level, temperate forest and grassland give way to the alpine vegetation. And silver, fir, jumpers, pines and birches are the common trees of these forests. And students, as you know very well that they get step by step approach the snow line, ultimately through shrubs and scrubs. They merge into the alpine grassland, and these are used mainly for grazing by nomads like the Gujars and the Bakarwals, who are living in the part of Kashmir region. Alright? And at higher altitude, mosses and lichens, which shows the part of tundra vegetation. Okay? And the common animals found in these forests are Kashmir stag, spotted deer, wild sheep, jackrabbit, Tibetan antelope, yak, snow leopard, squirrels, shaggy horn wild ibex, bear and rare red panda, sheep and goats with thick hair, which we can see in the lower portion of the Himalayas. And these animals are very helpful for the survival of the people who are living in these mountainous regions of India. Alright. After that, last one is mangrove forest. So students, you know very well that mangrove forest or mangrove tidal forest are found in the areas of coast which influenced by tides. And this coast is dominated by mud and silt due to the tides. Alright? And in the coast of big rivers, we can see dense mangrove forest, which are the common varieties with roots of the plants submerged underwater. And students, these mangrove forests mainly grow in India nearby the deltas of the Ganga, the Mahanadi, the Krishna, the Godavari and the Kaveri. And very important feature which we can see in the Ganga Brahmaputra delta, this is Sundri trees which are found here only. And this Sundri trees provide very durable hard timber. After that, there we can see some palm, coconut, kevda, agar trees which is also grow in some parts of the delta. And very important and unique feature of this region is Royal Bengal tiger. After that, we can see there turtles, crocodiles, gharials and snakes also. Alright students. So students, here the explanation of types of vegetation is completed now, and in my next lecture I will explain about the wildlife and important points about the protection of flora and fauna of the country. Alright students, thank you and have a nice day.